Hey guys, it's October 2nd on Wednesday. I'm out here running errands. I didn't leave the house until it was like 10:30 this morning. I got in late last night after I got off the vlog. I didn't do any more working on the project. So I went to bingo with my daughter. Normally I just play on Sundays, but she wanted to go, so I took her and then I went with her, and it was nice, and I saw some people I hadn't seen in a while. We didn't get home until late. Then I ended up staying up a while. I listened to an hour of a book that I was finishing up, a book called Belonging by Michelle Miller. Very good, very interesting. I'm almost finished with that. It should have been finished last month, but that's okay. So I did that, and then my alarm went off at about 5, and I woke up at 5:30, but then I did not get up until later. And so I came out and I went and got myself a coffee from my favorite Starbucks, and then I had to come over here. I'm sitting in the parking lot right now at Wally World. I had to come over here to do some transactions for money. What else did I do? Oh, I had to I dropped off a package. I sent a package to my son and his family, yay, for my grandbabies, through FedEx. I forgot they had a FedEx here in Wally World, so that's cool. So now I'm just sitting here because I'm debating. I'm sitting here eating my faves. I love these. These are by Biggs. They're sunflower seeds, and they have the taste of Vlasic pickles. Oh my gosh, you guys, they taste just like Vlasic pickles. I picked these up when I was in Florida in August, and I was inside of the Dollar Tree and saw these, so I decided to try. Oh my gosh, I love sunflower seeds anyway, and normally I just get the basic. And I also like the crack pepper by Spitz. Those are so good. Anyway guys, so sitting here because I'm debating. I need to go get a test. I need to go get an x-ray, and I think I could just walk in. It's for a mammogram, and I was just sitting here thinking, this is October, which is breast cancer awareness month. So yeah, you guys, everybody, go get those mammograms, get the boobies checked. Male, female, everybody, you guys, go get it done. Yeah. Unfortunately, my family member, my sweet sister, is dealing with that issue, breast cancer. Yeah, so I'm keeping her in prayer and supporting her. Yeah, so you guys, send your prayers for her. We just have to do what we have to, and she did everything she had to, and yeah. So guys, as soon as I figure I'm gonna have a couple of more swigs of my coffee, and then I think I'm just gonna go walk in and get that test done. I also have another test, but I might do that one tomorrow, and that's just a blood test, because I'm not sure if I needed to fast with that or not. Oh, because not only did I get my coffee from Starbucks, I also got another one of the pumpkin loaf. That is so good, guys. Oh man, I know I'm being bad, but that's all I had today. I didn't have anything else to eat, and later on I'll probably just eat a salad. And then after I finish getting the test, I plan on going home and getting some more work done on my project. All right guys, see you in a bit. Well, that was a bust, you guys. I have to make an appointment for a mammogram here. I come here for other x-rays, so I thought I could just walk in for the mammogram as well, but nope, they gave me a card with a number on it, so I have to make an appointment. So that's okay. Maybe I can get one for tomorrow. Then I can do this and the blood work that I need to do tomorrow. Guys, this is my first time here at this car wash, and they have a bunch of people going through here. It seems like it's not even a break. It's like back-to-back cars. My car was so dirty. That's tight. I get some visuals. They give you this little wipe. I guess had one of those arms to put here to hold my camera up. I don't know what happened to it. Oh, let me check in my glove. I didn't know I had one. No, I don't see it. So I'm going to use this and wipe the inside of my windshield. I wiped it the other day with just regular paper towel because it was, you know how it gets that film on it? It was like a mess. I am so sweaty. I'm gonna take this off. You guys wouldn't believe. Yesterday we were in triple digits, 105. And today, let me see what temperature it is. Going by the one in my car. Right now it says 85 and it's 130. So yeah, I think we're gonna be close to 100 for the next couple of days. All right, let me get out. I'm gonna vacuum inside the best I can. I didn't take time. Usually I like to wipe everything down and I take everything out of the car, and I didn't do that this time. Oh, guys, I'm finished vacuuming. Look how I'm sweating. I'm telling you, this is just ridiculous. I normally like to just pay. I found this person, well, a friend had recommended to me a person that comes to your house, you know, the mobile people that come to wherever you are and clean your car. That is exactly what I'd rather do, because I'm telling you now, it is not cute with a 63-year-old woman out here vacuuming, and oh my gosh, they're trying to vacuum everything. Well, I got it all vacuumed and it's looking good. The outside looks good. But I think I messed my windows up a little bit. Let me see, let me show you. They look a little cloudy. I'll wipe them up later the best I can. I did the best right now, but whew, gosh, that is a lot. Oh my gosh. All right, so I'm glad I got that done. As you guys should see me when I was driving up to church, oh, it was a mess. So now it looks much better. I might stop and get something to eat, maybe a salad or something, I don't know. And then I'm going home, all right? Okay. It is 2:12 p.m. I'm a little hot and a little tired. I'm going to chill for about 30 minutes to an hour. And then we're going to get something done. Hey guys, well, today was a bust. Well, not completely a bust, but didn't get any editing in today. Once I got back home, got inside, I told you guys to give me a minute. Oh, that minute turned into a couple of hours. I was so tired. I don't understand. I think I'm a little bit dehydrated. So I ended up taking a nap. I lay down about, when I said I was a little bit after 2. And I had my watch to alarm at 3. Well, it did, but then I was still tired, so I kept sleeping. And then I guess someone had tried to call me. I didn't see it on my phone until later that someone had tried to call me at about 5:20 p.m. And so that's the time I woke up. But then when I woke up, a client texted me about their hair, and they wanted me to fix the back of their hair. They thought it was getting a little loose, and they didn't know if it was gonna fall off or not, which it wasn't. But anyway, and then I told them to give me an hour. Okay, that was at 4:20. That was at 4:20 because I told them to give me an hour. So I was hoping that they would come like, about 5:20. They texted me again and said, well, it's almost 5:30. I was asleep, guys. I was so tired. They said it's almost 5:30. But anyway, they came and I fixed their hair in the back, and then we talked for about 20 or so minutes. I had drank a 16-ounce bottle of water, and then I started feeling better after about 20 minutes, so I know that's what it is. I know I drink a lot of coffee, and they say every time you drink a cup of coffee, you should drink that much water, but I don't always do. And plus, like I said, it was so hot today. The temperature rose higher than 85 degrees. Like in the next couple hours, it was hotter. Oh my gosh, and I think it's gonna be like that for the next couple of days, so I just need to be careful and make sure I hydrate. But I didn't get anything done productive as far as my project today, so we're gonna try it again tomorrow. Tomorrow's a new day. And I forgot to show you guys, try to insert a picture of the car. The car was clean. It looks so much better. Oh my gosh. So yeah, so right now it is 11:55 p.m. I just wanted to come on. After my client left, I went back to sleep. Oh my gosh, you guys. I don't know. I don't know. I think I have to reset my clock, my circadian rhythm. Also, since I've been retired, sometimes I notice that I just sit up and be so good. I love it. I'd be up all day doing things, and then at night, I stay up all night. Sometimes I don't even go to sleep till 5 or 6 in the morning, and I just need to stop doing that. I've been trying to put myself on a schedule for a few years, to waking up at 5 and going to bed at 10. Winding down at 10 and going to bed at 10:30. I haven't reached that goal yet. And when I do, I've been so happy when, my watch would tell me, oh, you slept your 6 hours a day. They say we should get more sleep than I can't do it, guys. I tried it my whole life, so I'm not gonna stress my life out and force myself to do so. I really can do well on 4.5, 5 hours of sleep, but I pushed it to 6 to try. It's still a hard burden. So I just went downstairs and got myself some tea. This is by Stash. And it is let me get it right. I think it's called Maple. Oh man, I want to get it right for you guys. I'll try to put the name of it here. But it is good. I got it. I bought it. I guess maybe, I don't know if it was a bestseller, but I like it. So I'm just drinking that. And I was just thinking, I woke up, I said, man, I didn't even eat anything else today. That's how tired I was. Whew, man. So right here for the second, I'm just gonna put nothing on the project. I'll just put that I vlogged, because actually, you guys, this vlogging is part of this project. Hats off to everybody that can vlog one day, post it that same night or the next night. I have not even posted the first video. Matter of fact, I haven't even edited it. So, all right. So that's what I wrote. I put nothing on the project, but I vlogged. Tomorrow is a new day. Oh man, let me just put this here. I'm just gonna sip my tea. I'm gonna try not to stay up until 5 in the morning. I'm going to listen to some more of the book. I think I have a couple, maybe 2.5, almost 3 hours left in that book. I'm gonna listen to maybe an hour, and during that hour, maybe I could do something else. You guys, yesterday let me see, what's it? See, I'm getting my days mixed up now. Okay, it's 11:58. I'm gonna sign off at 11:59. But yeah, I went and got some items from the Dollar Tree. They made a new Dollar Tree in our area. They tore down the 99-cent only store and they replaced it with a Dollar Tree. Go figure. I don't know. But anyway, I visited there and I got some things. Yay! Yeah, it was things for crafting and some more washi tape and everything. All right, guys. So it's 11:59. I don't think you can see it. I'm signing off for today. I'll do it again. I'll try to be productive tomorrow. See you guys then.